Hello and welcome to iINTELLIGENCEi Technology. It is August 26, 2026, and these are the stories that matter today. Hackers target Microsoft SharePoint RCE chain with PoC exploit. Attackers are now targeting a chain of 2 Microsoft SharePoint vulnerabilities that can allow them to execute arbitrary code on unpatched servers, according to threat intelligence company Diffused. Ring introduces a new encryption standard, makes it the default for cloud features. Ring says users can still opt for end-to-end encryption. Hot Chips 2026, Nvidia touts benefits of its DSX MaxLPS site power management approach. Tech allows for more compute from fixed data center power budgets. This Tom's Hardware Premium article is free to read with a Tom's Hardware account. No payment necessary. We're offering free access from August 23rd to 26th, so you can read all of our reporting from Hot Chips. Meta settles social media addiction case with California, other states for $16.7 billion. Meta and state attorneys general settled a federal trial centering on allegations that company misrepresented the extent of child-related mental health harms. Microsoft sketches out a Whiteboard extension. Microsoft is giving customers who are still clinging to its doomed legacy Whiteboard technology a lifeline and has pushed the deletion date to October 16, 2026. The migration tooling for legacy enterprise whiteboards will be retired on September 25, 2026, and the standalone Microsoft Whiteboard app will be deprecated on November 30, 2026. To be clear, Microsoft Whiteboard as a concept is not going away. This is more about migration for Azure-based files. Wanted: token spend control and governance without slowing down agentic AI innovation. Scary AI spend and weak access security controls are the flip side of the sharp rise in agentic AI. The answer lies in the form of a control plane that provides the visibility CIOs need. The past couple of years have seen enterprises press the fast-forward button on generative AI strategies. We have all seen a remarkable change in deployment patterns from useful chatbots to autonomous agents that engage deeply with core software, data, and LLMs, and even create their own offspring agents. Galaxy S27 leaks reveal a design that Samsung just won't kill. The Galaxy S27 looks nothing like the Galaxy S27 Ultra, according to these latest leaks. Meta reaches $17 billion settlement with states in landmark trial over teen social media addiction. The lawsuit accused Meta of contributing to the youth mental health crisis by deliberately designing features that addict children to its platforms and hiding them from the public. Meta will pay up to $18 billion to settle states' lawsuit alleging harms to young users. The company called on YouTube and TikTok to join it in setting time limits for teens. iOS 27 is launching very soon, and the beta reveals Apple may have some powerful new AI features coming for Apple TV 4K and HomePod devices. Apple's new Mac Mini and Mac Studio feature Genlock support over USB-C, allowing users to precisely synchronize a display with a camera such as the iPhone 17 Pro, without the need for additional equipment. It keeps multiple cameras and displays locked to the same timing signal, stopping footage from drifting out of sync during a multi-camera shoot. Meta to pay up to $16.7 billion to settle social media addiction cases. The deal requires Meta to put new guardrails on its platforms, including restricting how much time users can scroll and preventing them from switching off certain safety settings. Meta agrees to pay up to $17.1 billion to settle social media case. The deal has been reached during a California federal court trial over claims brought by 29 states. That is all for this bulletin from iINTELLIGENCEi Technology. If this update kept you informed, subscribe and turn on notifications. We publish fresh bulletins through the day. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.